garden. One morning I saw something that made me very unhappy. I saw a weed. So what I did that very day was I went to the hardware store to find something to spray, and I had to go take flying lessons and buy a plane so I could spray. Because organic means they just don't satisfy. When it comes to weeds, I want to kill them, poison everyone. I want my spray gun. I want to spray from the sky. I'm a chemical sort of guy. So I will kill all the weeds, and I will kill all the trees and everything living in the streams. I want to hear them all die. I want to hear their little weedy screams in my dreams, in my dreams. Fire and poison, gas, lean on the weeds. Fire and poison and gasoline, all the weeds, they've got to die. They've got to die.